Hi guys, this is Amanda from softwaredive.com. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer photos from any of your iPhone models like iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, or iPhone 12 Mini, or iPhone 11 series like iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the formal models. Firstly, free download this SD iPhone transfer software to your computer from the below links in the description. Second, connect your iPhone with the Lightning to USB cable. Here we can see we use an iPhone 7 to record this demo. Navigate to Photos. The software has automatically detected all the photos on your iPhone devices. Let's check all. And transfer this nearly 3,000 photos to my PC. Click Export to PC button. When I click Select Folder, the process will start, and also I will start a stopwatch at the same time. Let's choose the default settings to convert to JPEG automatically for better capability, okay? And start the stopwatch. During the exporting process, please do not move your USB cable. If you move the USB cable, the transferring process will be interrupted, and you have to start over. During this process, please do not do any action to your iPhone. Now we can see all the photos and videos are transferred successfully. Let's open folder. It takes about 38 minutes to transfer and convert all the HEIC to JPEG formats. In the second part, we will test how much time it will take if we only choose Keep Original Format. We have created a new folder, Original, here, and select folder. Choose Keep Original Format. Start. It's obviously faster than converting and transferring process. When you choose this Keep Original Format settings, you are sending your HEIC photos to your computer as original format. With about 3,000 photos, the same as before. We can tell you the results now. It takes about 70 minutes to finish transferring the 3,000 photos to PC. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Bye guys!